All right, this is our Applied Labs 6.9.11, which is adding transitions to a presentation. So let's go ahead and get started. All right. Right, on slide 2, it wants us to remove the animation that has been applied to the content placeholder. So I'm going to click on this and we're going to select none. On slide 1, we're going to apply a push transition to the effect of the slide. So I'm going to go to transition. We're going to select push. We're going to modify the duration to be 1.5. And change for the transition from the top. So I'm going to select this and we're going to select from the top and apply it to all slides. So I'm going to click that. And then slides 8 through 12. So I'm going to come down here, 8, 9, 10, 11, and I'll scroll down to 12. We're going to we want the Aristotle slides changed from the push transition from effect from left. And then we're going to check our answers. That's it.